Hi friends, today I'm going to cook atatim. This is yummy. You will love it. Here are the ingredients. First, we need to cook the pork leg. So we have to place water in a pot and then put the pork leg, and we have to boil it for an hour or more. See to it that it is softened. And we have to add the spices and soy sauce also. When it is cooked, we have to transfer it into a pan or a wok if you have. And then we have to add a little broth. Add nor liquid seasoning and pork leg broth and then simmer it. Then we have to add ground black pepper, and it will smell good. And then add also salt to your desired taste. Then we have to add the mushrooms. Then we have to add a little sugar to balance the taste. Simmer it for a minute. And then now let's add diluted cornstarch. And then last, we have to add the cabbage or Chinese cabbage and spring onions. Now this is cooked and ready to serve.